What's up everyone, it's Dr. Kels here from Fit Club. Today we're going to be going over 2 stretches for your neck that you can do at your desk. Super simple, definitely check them out. First, upper trap stretch. Just going to bring your hand on top of your head, gently pull down towards the side. You should feel a nice stretch going from the base of your neck into the top of the shoulder. You want to hold this for 30 seconds on each side. That is our upper trap stretch. Stretch number 1. Stretch number 2 is our Levator SCAP stretch. We call these muscles cousins. They live next to each other but do different things. For this guy, you're going to bring the head closer to the back of the head and you're going to look and gaze down towards your armpit and a gentle pull down. Again, we're going to hold this for 30 seconds on each side. Those are 2 stretches that you can do at your desk every day to help alleviate tech neck. Boom.